I'm like glue, and y'all stuck with me. Even when them other niggas thought that they could fuck with me. Come on, y'all, get buck with me. Streets can't get enough of me. I'm trapping hoe reluctantly. I beat you like you stole some. Quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick. Ayy, nigga, get that money, just don't serve it where you stay. How could you put your family in the way? Like them rules gon' say, we ain't killing kids today. Stomach hurting, killers murking for no reason, it's that season. The plug think we need them till we tie him up and leave it. Won't say I'm rich, but I'm eating, that mean I'm decent. Still coming through the block beating. Yeah, I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, I think I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, you need to learn something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, look like I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah. Scream! I'm riding with my beat low. Just left the gambling house. We call it the hood casino. They bet 1,000 out on C4. Re-roll Lil Joe. Ask Jazz, he know. Buck out here. Rap niggas don't know nothing about here. Yes, it's a recession, but no, it ain't no drought here. Who we gon' sign with? What he gon' do? Until then, these birds the only thing I'm going through. A pound on the floor, all residue. Let the little homies clean it up, they gon' sell it too. I ain't got no rims on it, but it's still a meal in it. I ain't talking about the car, I'm talking about what's hidden. You can hear it in my voice, you know I ain't bullshitting. You know I could go to prison, you know that ain't how you living. I'm just on my grind now, I know it's my time now. We live in 09 now, I'm gon' get what's mine now. Sound like I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, I think I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, you need to learn something. Okay, hey, yeah, hey, look like I learned something. Okay, hey, yeah.